Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a Figma profile from their Figma website. So for that, first I'm going to look for Figma in my Google, and from there I'm going to their website. So here on the top left, you can see that there is a get started for free option. I'm going there. I'm going to log in using my Google account. Okay, let's say designer. For now, I'm going to skip this one. Have you? No, this is my first time. Okay. So they will first provide me with this starter, but let's check. Mm, Okay, so here you can see they have provided me with three options: the starter, the professional, the organization. So you see there are some differences between the features you will get via use each plan. So here you see for the starter, you will get only three files to work with, some basic designs, prototyping, and collaborations. But the professional one, you have to pay, and also they will give you unlimited files and folders and a lot of other advantages. And for the organization, you will have to pay more, and they will give you unlimited teams and designs, libraries, and a lot of more facilities. So now I'm going to continue. Okay, so I'm going to this file option over here. Okay, so let's look carefully. This is what you are going to get when you first log in into your Figma account. I have showed you everything from the scratch to up to this forming coming to this profile. So now I'm going to show you how you can do some more things. So on the first time you will find several files on your canvas, but on the right side you will see an option called view plans. As you already know, we have selected the starter one, and these are the other options available, and we have already checked it out. So I'm going to this learn more option. Here, even though they have provided a free starter version and other versions are basically like paid, but Figma is free for students and educators. Okay, so we are going to this option. So here you have to go to this get verified option. Okay, so basically, Figma education plan is free for students, educator, and administrator. If you're a student, you can get a free access to the files that are actually being sold by the Figma. Basically, that is a paid version, but you can get it for free if you are a student or educator or administrator. Let's check the student one. After you select the student, basically you have to now select what type of institution do you attend or work for. So here are three options over here: K-12, higher education, bootcamp, or organizations. If you select the higher education, basically you have to fill out several informations, you have to provide some documents and other things, and then you can submit. If you are selecting the bootcamp, same goes for the bootcamp as well, and for the educators, and also there are other options. But if you select the K-12, they only ask you two things. If you say yes I agree, yes I agree, and then submit, first of all they will say verification failed. Okay, so in that case what they have said, part of the K-12 or the higher education institution, log in with your school email to continue. So if you have a school email or you have institutional email, you can log in with that. But here we are going to take another way. So we will go to this more option. So here you can enter your website, school's website link. So here I have provided my university website link. So now I'm going to press the submit. Before that, you can also put your university or your school's website link over here and then submit. So once you have done that, basically you are now verified with the Figma for Educations. Now let's go to the Figma. Okay, I'm just going to cross it. Okay, so once you are now verified, you can come to your Figma homepage profile, and then you can select or choose a team. So next. So here you see, as we have taken the education, basically. So as we have taken the Figma for education, so all the payment is now zero. So you can just select this term and condition and can upgrade. Okay. So come to this team project, go to this create option and come to this design file. Now continue. Okay. So now you can have unlimited pages over here, but if it was the starter plan that we have just logged in with for the first time before choosing or before going for the Figma for education, then you would have only 3 pages over here, not more than that. You wouldn't have been able to do any type of team projects, and there would have been lots of more limitations. But for now you can do the team projects, and also you can use much more features that are available for the paid versions. Okay, so now you can change the name. So let's say UI UX project. You can name it to anything. You can add as much as pages you want. You can rename the page, let's say design system. So now you can start working on your canvas, and in the later of the modules I'm going to teach you how to use this type of tools, how to design the pages, how to do the layerings and a lot of things. So I hope you have enjoyed and you have already created your account. So see you in the next video. Thank you.